Mwezi wa 11 mwaka ni wa 2024 nitho chandeni wa vilingi wa movo mwendoni wa saa 1:30 nita wa Faith Ndenya indi twamba kwata amala tukumbanisye kwanzia ukuve
ala tukumbanisye ni vamwe na
Silikali kwambesya iseso ya kuandikithia amoika kauntini sionthe mamanthiwe mawia ndesianza ni uvuo ucho kwa silikali sia metiuko itina wanzama ya pamwe ambunge kwetikela inengwe bilioni 380 Minister Muvyani wa Kiwu Eric Muga kutambuka silangani wa umaki tui na kwenda makontrakta mamine wea evindaila manengetwe. Enende tala kukule silikali ya kaunti ya Masako edhenekia kusovya kiwanza cha Tala Township.
Vilingi wa maovo.
Naende tuyambelele movoni kana silikali nene ni yambesya iseso ya kuthiuka kauntini sionthe vanthe ya Kenya si miongo 47 kuandikithia amuika makunengwa mawia ndesianza aivingwa muvango Minister Muvyani wa uthukumi wa mwenende Dr. Alfred Mutua kavindani kala etambukite musieni wa Masako kuvingwa iseso yini waweta kana silikali ya muiye kumanthi ya Kenya mawia ndesianza kukitana na unyivu wa mawia va Kenya. Mutua ni wasya amuika alame ukwata mawia suni vatonye kama kalivoti mawiani kisimi kitana avika Daniel Mongela ena movombe yange.
Umwe itina waulaungi nguthu ya amuika na nduma mikengi ni mavika vaki manisweni cha maundu maki uvundi cha Machakos School for the Blind. Onthe mayiteka wito wa silikali wa kumamanthia amuika mawia kuma nthi cianza aingi mome yumbanite vyu kuthindi ya Kuwait, Canada, Saudi kati wa nthi ingi.
Haijanichukua muda mrefu sana cause naona kazi hapa inaendelea haraka haraka, hakuna kuchelewesha, hakuna kupita mtu. Ukipata laini imepangwa unafuata laini unahudumiwa haraka haraka.
Minister Muvyani wa maundu ma uthukumi Dr. Alfred Mutua na nena ivindani ya kuambilila walaniosu ni walesekana ambile ile walaniosu va ile mbetani ya ukamba nikenda kutetheesya utalo munene wa amuika kukwata mawia kuma nthi cianza na angi kwiyukilya kiukwati.
Nenda kwasya muvangoni weti ukamba nundu mundu ambia na chendi vala umite nundu nienda mbaya mukamba ikwate mbesa ningi ithe kila mundu ana mbesa muvuko andu maikuma tundu ya ba nundu siasa nzeo ni cia mbesa na maendeleo na mbesa ni wea kuna achekani manthi andu makwa na mvango wakwa chap mbesa silike muvukoni mundu eyungamie nesa wathi muingo tia tukapotea withi muingo miaka 2 ukambia kuona mabati mekiwa nyumba nzio ukona mwaitu ekiangwa nzio ukona kanisa yakwa nesa nundu ndembo ni kutumwa ukona mwanake anagwa utosaniwe utanasya we mundu yuno kwendekani yetu atwane maisha mausova nundu kila kindu kienda mbesa mwitu ibazu baite wona ibanga nesa asubie inya asubie the okay bae sawa pyu au memandana musiasa mambe omwati ata ko utienda yu wibange tamwana useto wa Masako
unugo vuni waelesekana ivindani kwende na kusiwa maumu mame kalile silikali ni kutetheesya ala meonswa na kuata meanesu ya mawia kukwata mathivalua ala mailite nikenda kwikithekana vai mundu nako sawia nungu ukosa mavalua ala mekwendeka
na lama bikibao mundi pia mama kwata mawia na mane wa balua wa wea na mane wa balua wa wea maitomo upstairs makeke fingerprinting nikanama kwa certificate of good conduct nikanala mete na passport ningu mama ndia passport mete na passport nikanati bika chuma chukite mambie kweka medical make medical nundu tubangite tibika matuku 14 kanata bituko banini before Christmas andwa moso bao mundi na lame koso makuweni na lame koso kitwi tibika bao Christmas ndio menda ba Kenya ni menda memuingo maitho kuma matumembesa bamu koti mubango ati wa kusio ni kuthimbe na nendo kuli andu mwetwa mubano ithisa mawe muko katene pia mwemwe kuka oyu na mwala mekwenda ukwata ni mathelile nundu mawia lan mokie na moti aye mawia pia mawia ti ye makuweni nangitiye kitui timunenga makitui umuthi.
Itambi ni akathiwa vyu ni mumbunge wa kilio mbunge cha Masau Caleb Mule Mutiso nolai vamwe na miniso muveani wa uthukumi Dr. Alfred Mutua ndailesekana amwika ni mailite kwivundisya muno maundu ma kiuvundi na ta ofisi wa kilio mbunge ki cha Masau no kwitha ntetheesya vanene kukithikana amwika asu ni makwata masomo ala mailite na ivindani yukite kwitha matoma kuoswa kuthi uthukuma nthi cia nza.
Nengukulia nondo ino ni continuous process. Ila ingi andu mayuka kuoswa process izo ndio kainge kukuma saku me ready na prepared wesaidi ya mundu na certificate. CDF yakwa kinando ni chakwa cha CDF nengutenga mbesa sia short courses. Nondo be mundu witha ese we are for example mwako and then ethango mundu wesi plumbing and then a certificate. Mundu wesi welding and then a certificate. Na meba yangu loko ni angine makuna welding obaba industrial area ene sindu cia muthembosu nituiki ya short courses nikaenda makwata certificate ila ingi process yendiuka andu maimanda mawia wese ya mundu ena mathangu mawia
ni isizuira ya vikoni ya ni utalo munene wa mwika kuma kona sikivuthuani cia kaunti ino ya Masaku onangi kuma nza wa kaunti ino nangi mayukilia mawoni mekivuthukanio yulo walanio undu watwaiwa. Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kumava Machakos School for the Blind, kaunti ni ya Masaku.
Nzama ya vamwe ya mbungeni ya viki ya wiwano kana silikali cia kaunti. Ilengwe budget ya silingi bilioni 387 na kuminangusanisyo cia mwaka uta katikati wa yumbe na maseneta. Wiwano owi ukata uvu ucho kwa mangavana ala kwesilanza mayo ya COG mwambio ni wachu mwakima kulisia iseso yeye kala tuemetoke maiweta vena moisio edhe wacheni kiikwatekana na metoke Benjamin Mwaka ena ilivoti Mbeange.
Oyuma gavana menondo akutania tena mbunge kwislanza mavamwe ya wiwano konyilo vya cia county kwitikana kunenga magavana silingi bilioni 387 teo budget ya serikali cia county mwaka huu wa serikali.
And we have agreed unequivocally and unanimously that our counties deserve resources, and for that reason we have reinstated the figure that they got the last financial year of 385 billion, and on top of that we have made and provisioned additional resources of Kenya shillings 2 billion to make our counties perform their duties efficiently.
Zama ile weta ni yetikilana kuendea kuongela mbeza cia county kila mwaka. Maiweta vena itumi mbianu kuikithia county ni sienda mbesa mbingi kwa oyu.
We have seen that there are many areas that we need to support our counties. One is the additional levies that are there now in terms of housing levy, where the employer and the employee have to pay. Counties are still employers, as we all know. The new levies in the healthcare provision, the new cadre of payee.
They need to make sure that at least they cap on wastage, they cap on corruption, and make sure before they start on new projects, they make sure at least they can finish the stalled projects so that at least we make progress.
If we have been able to persuade each other that counties must never receive money less than what they received in the previous financial year or the preceding financial year, that is progress.
I think that we were actually trading on a very dangerous premise when we wanted to find ourselves in a situation whereby counties were going to be given money below what they got in the previous year. Because most of the funds that are going to the counties are essentially financing administration of those counties.
Ngaliko ya yumbe hinenda county nengwa silingi bilioni 387 kumanwa na mutu ya kuvitango kwa finance bill ya mwaka huu na moma senator manalu meleli tinongi na county nengwa silingi bilioni 800 otondo siaitwe nthini wa budget ya mwaka huu.
It wasn't easy, but in every mediation process there's give and take. I think at the end of the day we have agreed on the figures. My appeal is to all the accounting officers, both the governors and at the national level, to be prudent in the management of these resources.
The position taken is that the goodwill to support devolution is extremely apparent from both sides. All of us come from counties, including my counterpart.
And as much as there is also will to add more resources to the counties, the constraint remains that we have scarcity of resources in terms of correction of revenue. So there has never been a question of who supports or who does not support devolution. All of us here unequivocally, we all support devolution from the National Assembly to the Senate fully without any doubt about it.
Vilengwa mauvo kumava musieni lovi dita wa Benjamin Mwaka.
Ni muvya muno Benjamin Mwaka na indi tuisonga na mbene kana Minister wa Kiwu na ungithia serikali nene Engineer Eric Mugaa ni wenda makontrakta kuminawia ula malengeto ni muvya wa Kiwu ivindani ila ya ilete aiweta kana muvya usundu isa kuongela makontrakta ivinda ya kuendesya wea mathuko makavala. Mugaa anena ki kavindani kala watambuka silangani wa uma ula wiki tui chakate kuthuima uthukumi ula wende nthini wa silanga usu na kuweta wenzi wa silanga usu ko yuwe kilungu chai 11 yuluwa yana na tuivika mwakani wa 2026 nuthela ingini wakule contractor nenge ene nthi makitu mawia nthini wa mulati usu Onesmus Chalo ena mavombe ange.
Minister wa Kiwu na ungithia serikali ni ayulu Engineer Eric Mugaa ni watambuka kitui kuthoima uthukumi wa silanga wa uma ula wichangithia meloni wa sua kitui cha kativa kauntini ya Kitui vala wetekana kiwango cha uthukumi kila kitwa isio nthini wa silanga usu ni che 11 yulu wa iana vala wenda contractor kukalata wea wake eiwetekana vai kuongele vinda ya mulati usu na nombo vaka uthele vindani ilovanitwe vala silanga ukwatwa kuthela mwakani wa 2026.
Contractor who came on board, he started in January this year. Alikuwa amepewa miaka 2. So we are looking by the year 2026 January February, na ndio maana nimesisitiza kwamba hatutaki extension of time kwa hii miradi yetu. I have been very clear. The contractor has to put resources on ground and ensure that these projects are completed on time, kwa sababu we have a lot of cost overruns in this kind of projects kwa sababu ya extensions of time and the recurrent expenditure that come with it. The cost of this project is about 1.96 billion Kenya shillings. We don't want to stretch it further than that. We have been very categorical with the contractor and the consultant on ground.
Minister wenu wakule contractor lo nengero kandalasi kunenge ene ndi market wea ulo kwenda wea wa moko no kana kumekea vinyana kuonekana waki wa silanga
locality, and we have committed to the contractor hakikisha kwamba vijana wa area Kitui wanapata hizi kazi. It is one of the ways to ensure that our young people are kept productive and also transfer of skills. We have TVETs ongoing. Those are the people we use especially in this field too much. Please come for attachments and ensure that we tap that knowledge for our future betterment of the community.
Silanga ukwamete vandu vambe wa miaka 10 na yuwa dhala withia witede ene nthingiliana na imwe na Kivu kuma Kitui vala ukwalanga maundu mamwe wa Kivu na kukile emisioni cia mawithiuruko ma Kitui.
A treatment plant to treat around 2650 is on liter kama ukimultiply by 1000 650,000 liters per day kwenda Kitui. It is a supplementary system because I know Kitui is fed with water also kutoka Kidaruma, and this is planned to have, we are looking at the options of having an irrigation test line. That is a small line 4-inch because the areas here are community small farming schemes. It's not like large scale farming schemes. But we need to balance that because this dam is purely meant for domestic water supply.
Serikali nene ikulwa kulecha mbesa cia waki wa silanga ukweteneno kana kusia kuungama kwa moradi
is key under the administration, and completion of ongoing projects is one of our main targets to ensure that we serve the people of water and achieve Vision 2030, which is access to water and sanitation to all by the year 2030.
Televote Vlingo Mavo Mutongo TV kumasilangani wa uma ni Onesmus Chalo.
Amama Moika na enende kumatala kuya matungulu kauntini ya Masako. Nimenda movea wa Moika na Mathau kauntini ima maandhenzia siya kutua siya kwa ile kiwanza cha Mathau cha na mbumbano cha Tala Township. Amoika ani mateta mononi kwezi wakandalasi ila yanenganiwe vaye na makulio mainge kumano na udhukumi ula wonekete vo na kulea kuseuvya kiwanza ke. Kiwikila kilikete vo kivengesete utumi wa kiwanza ke na vaingwa kiwanza kenge kiva kuve matonya utumia. Boni Mutesia ena movombe yange.
Hiyo vinda yambe ya Moika ya kumela na kueta monyunguzi moyo lodho kumiulone witu ya kiwanzani ki matuko kauta mavetu meutata vethu ta makulu maingi yolua mudhango lone tawa kiwanzani ki na wethu to itamba icha udhau kiwa Mathau kiwanzani ki kanoko kitumia kuthwa vethu ta vananda kambingi na kiwuko likava thila kwa ua
vanelenge dio to aneni to eto wa kiwanza na nundo getha kiwanza nikiemie nona yu kitu yu ukwene ndia yu ano dike kito tete makozote dia dia wawe the batwika fishboard ngamba ije yana hiyo naona ng'ombe zie mweko beta hiyo ige kiwanza kitha ng'ombe zie mweko beta na osiana sia school ile zie kisome hapa dai na mando alama ana injala ma medbit la kama endere ba dai yu ona babe na thina mwingi muno kabisa kitha ndrini njije mia ya Tala ile mia kira yore makoyoteje atima na nenge sawa miaka 5 no gito dhalati mane bye ili hata
kila makulia ni serikali ya kaunti ya Masako kusilamu wewa Moika na Mathau tonyelele kisioniki na kumandha iwanzele itonya utumekana kusiailia na wikithia kana kiki bakuve na enendene chailwa na gitonya utumekanesa kwithwa uya Moika matena vandu va kuthauka na maendeno utambaika muno ni kula matonya utethese mundu ma Mathau
lakini yu arata uzisia kiwanza kiki cha Tala Township ni onende chuso ite kiwo kiwanza kiona ibo bana atoite nzia na yu na nzia ni nalindikia nundu akwetha chuso yendaka na arata izia mulani yolo kwa mbeza ila wi atumite muradi uzu wana kicho iko akita ukuandaka kole na kuiwe thomba yeye kitio kaomba kiwanzani sioni yezi akuiwa myomo moizia ko yetina kwena plot sia ene inezelete kuna iko kiuchuke nezela yukiuchwe jai wanenzia yukiuchu ni keke ukija ndindi malaba onenze ende zela amaitu mombe ya ndaka mombe ya nini ngwasio ba aute maita ngwasio binda ya soko koti okulia manda gavana wa Vinya ndo notiona kwena wa Vinya cup ila uke uyibingwa nga kila kondo ko ndeko onde ni wa Machakos County tio ko lide ba Tala wabina korotwa na idho twa ukosaiye no zino idho twa kozio tando nundu andu no makosa lakini nengi andu makosa itio meta ziao wekeo
iwanza ilengi sithilukite isio ithio nazo sithito na mathina makiwu na yae southern kiwa nilesi kavasio kwasa kula maratonya ovika na kwethwa wandi ilengi sia matungulo siona Moika mekwenda kuitumia nthini wa mondo ma Mathau vilikano kana ivinda Mathau mangava na akaunti ya Masako ma Moika no maendeye ati kiwanza kiki tonya utumika na Moika la mekisioniki
chaba bandu betwa kinoi nacho kiwanza chu nacho kikwamitwa kiuata kikwamitwa kiuta ki yuko uona lika maitu ba bandu Mathau ke ya yuno kuma ba uthingi na kangudo DB lakini ithika ngudo DB wewe thina ma kangundo be undu mo mebangite kata mebangite nthini wa Mathau kiwo
kiwanza kila kiki kabani cha Tala Boys Primary aje juice kegu undu ki school de training na kekaila wogino wa kuliliwan undu maileka to ma ge school ya Tala Boys training ugethe imu vela tozio thoko wangava na kapa pathoke wa still kuya magenzi anita na ukakine kana undu ki ucho ndejele kala still kiwanza yuki training lakini umwa ki una netinga kili kagegu paiki wanza genge ndeni wa area ya entire Tala ile savia wa Tala kinyoi still stadium ya kinyoi ne kegu waichelene kuibikika malelo maiko dono taguko kuibikika ni malelo odu yokulia pesa ile ziumiru zio zobi sei wanza itwe gwana national government ya allocate here kinoi 40 million sio mino kile kiwanza itwe radu hizo twetelete ba no madungu no twekethekana iba no thoko ngobela
kaunti ya Masako kumatala nyene toboni Mutesia
na inde mwendo msiaisi wa Mutongo TV ni muveano ndo wa kwende ya kwilo ila vilingi wa movo kwa oito ambako semba udhiu mwoni mukuvi tusiokethetie.
sikukuni nitwenda maundu maseo nundu yithia wari ibinda ya kutana onayo inzebe yithia wari mbailu undu wendete onaitu ba Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM nitukwenda kukuongelela useo uu nitukunenga discount ya sikukuu ya kutanga sithia naitu nikenda umanye nitwithaa tukutambuite iyo sehemu thinzio wa sikukuu tene tukunie simu kwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti oyu lilikana no utangasithia nginya Facebook page ya Mutongo TV na page ya Mutongo FM ovamwe na channel cha Mutongo TV /FM YouTube. Yuki wanza ni chaananie nuwe wikwete ni offer ya Christmas na mwaka mweu ya kutangasithia biasala kana wia waku va Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya mukamba tukunie simu kwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti ubanga uisanda indi ndwaya wakulume ubanga ni wisi kwicha mistali no wiche nginya ukeyuma wime kwicha ndwana ni undumwe na kukwatia ni undungi
neve tone single 300 na kwenda single 300 mundume pedina
masitwa nitawa Faith Mwende
we single ni kaleto 300 ni single ndio
single 300
lakini 300 kwa timing kwa mundume single
300 na numanda omuntu
ni manda mundu tuto no share single tumwe mundu genuine mundu trustworthy
aume namo komata wiwie ni otuma fair ukaiwa akanamo komata liketwe kilasi ne cha character development
mpaka mezwe ezo da wambitese kota nenda ndinuka
gwete senda kame kwani kwa yeke ya mindoni
kama ile uwe na kola
kwaondoka ni kula sio kwa kilende kwa hii mbesa siakwa hii
wisa kukwatithia mundu kwendete thayune chawo cha ndwaima ni undu wivinya muno kwateania na Peter Mutuse wa Maunda
Gavana supporta baby sitola mwitana muno mutane indi twenda kuonenge buso tukwete mundu mutako mana ingi maishane
kila wakatano kwambia saa 12 na ndateka miongo ina sia iya mawiyo kilungu ni cha mbenzi wiyone au memesi kupindota na aka mesi kupandwa ni va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba mbenzi tene uyaila isi kuona usimunganu andu mavanda makesa uketha mbua iyo kuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mevala tutonya kwikatwa kwata kiu cha kuimando
pe maundu maingi wambe ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwa sete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi
thina yu vawitha ne kuestablish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni ciatwa miiba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bubango ni cio ndu ndinzo ile fiber ile ndinzo ila uya limbo alisio na limo yo muno yembe yake itawa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wiyo ukethia wala limwe ni weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza ama yinu no thina moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoi petele ibinda ya ile kana tuithike ndinwa wimi wa kiomonde tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutachonde bandu wa imwe ninyo
no kwata at least lump sum ukethia hizi kana kiucha thina maana monza kana chedi na maana tatu en
kimo wewe
ndukiane
kimo without no tata mbese na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija ciendu ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe ninengiwe liu nesa liya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndateka miongo ina sia wiyo winake Steven Mwema va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba
musese witu mwendwa Mutongo TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve yaluma na watu mevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasa vya biashara waku kana kumanithia alama evasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa mavombe yange tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile imwe na itatu mwonza kana ututume email kwisila sales@mutongotv.co.ke. Mutongo TV ni yongwatanio ya mukamba tukwatane twaile vyasala situ.
Nikalivo niende na ukumanyithia na indi tuisonga na mbele kana kavindani ka chama cha ODM kivanite kutoa isi ya usakwani wa ndongo isi anduani chumwani tukite ni kuende na ukose wa ngusanisi wakati wa ndongo isi yake uteti na amemba macha make kwa ya kauntini ya Mombasa wala amwe amemba meweta kana maina mwekeo wa usakwani ukwethi wa amwe matongo ichamani ke methitwe maitwa isi ya ukengani kila ivinda amemba ani meweta kana yuno muvaka usakwani uvike kutoa ya kwanza ya wethianu na umelu wala mateisia kuungamia usakwani kwa kila meweta ukengani nuende ya mavinda mainge wala ndongo isi yake uteti siethetwe siungama itina wa andu mona kusukume ya nzama ya usakwani chamani ke kuma vitu kethia Angelina Mose ena mauvongo beange.
Mainena na andiki mama uvoa mama memba machama ki matongo ni Betty Sharon na ula ukukitia kivila cha mwandiki mwenene wa chama ki cha ODM va kauntini ya Mombasa ni mawetekana mayina mwikio na nzama ya kuungamia usakwani na ula ukuitho wetu iwe chumani chukite wa ndongo isia isioni.
If the National Election Coordinating Committee is insisting that we are going to conduct elections by non-people who are also supporters and campaigners of candidates that are going to take part in this, then we shall go parallel. That is something that must be understood. We shall avoid that flawed process and conduct our election parallel.
Tayari tumeona kama election tayari inakuwa rigged kwa sababu leaders wale tumewapigia kura na wako hapo tayari ndio wanaleta supporters wao na hao pia ni active participants. Sasa hakuna vile tunaweza kusimama na candidates ambao wameleta supporters wao au wafanyikazi wao wa nyumbani. Hii kitu imefanyika kwa so long. Sio 2022 peke yake. Kuanzia 2007 mpaka leo nominations za ODM huwa zinakuwa rigged kabla election day haijafika. But this time hatutakubali. Kama wataleta hao watu wao, sisi pia tutaleta watu wetu, wafanye election yao na sisi tufanye election yetu, alafu tuone itafika wapi. Hii party ni ya kila mtu. Party sio ya familia moja. Lakini hapa Mombasa na kaunti zingine wameongoza party kifamilia na tumechoka. Sisi kama supporters, sisi kama wale tunawapigia kura, alafu wakifika kule wanatusahau, tumesema tumechoka na tutakubali. Hapa tutapambana. Tutabanana ndani ya ODM.
Nima kuetekana vena nzama ile asa kuito ya andu maa kuikika kuungamia utongo uu indi ya viki ya kuvetangwa na andu angi ala maweta mayina muikio na moko sakuwa kuungamia usakwani uu vala maatisi ya kuudho kwani ni kuidhwa mena wia ni utonya idhiwa na ukengani.
Those who are shortlisted early this year to preside over these elections were very good people. They were people who are independent, but mysteriously they have been removed and replaced by these people, by the current coordinators. How and why and when they were removed, we don't know.
But ODM wako tayari kupokea pesa za wagombezi, wako tayari kupokea pesa, lakini kufuatilia mashinani, where did we go wrong? Hawafuatilii. Kupokea pesa wanajua, lakini kufuatilia akina nani wamepata majeraha na akina nani wamebaki na tunakwenda wapi, hakuna katika chama cha ODM. Iwapo tunafaulu kusema we are the best party in this nation, lakini tumekuwa vibaya sana kufuatilia. mgonjwa yule tulipeleka hospitali amekufa au bado yuko hai.
Wanawiyo voni makuetekana chama kini cha ilita unengenda ya kila umwe vala makuetekana amemba ingi maithito maitethekane kumuna na utongo wa chama ki kwethi wa wima vatha amemba kuyanana na ukwati wo.
Chama cha ODM tuko na vitengo vitatu. Kitengo cha chini sana ndio tuko na kitengo cha katikati wale supporters wa wale, na kitengo cha juu wale wanakimbia na Range Rover kwa sababu tumewasupport, tumefika juu zaidi. That one must stop kwa sababu chama chetu ni chama kiko kama ANC South Africa, kama CCM kule Tanzania. So hatupendi kunyanyaswa ndani ya ODM. This time kama ODM itakuwa kama Kasarani, basi chama cha ODM itakuwa ni kisirani zaidi.
Takwaniwa ndongo isia isioni chamani kicha ODM vaneto kutoiwe chumwane chukite matuku miongo ili na muonza ngilivotea vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Ni muvya muno Angelina Mose na indi tuisonga na mbeni kana maundu ma ukui kiwanzani cha bas musieni wa Masaku ni matamba ikite itina wangwatanio ya ene ngalisia matatu siya mamoa kutoa yesi ya mukomu maitola mote minister muvyani wa ukui na useuvya wa malelo silikali ni ya kaunti ya Masaku Rita Ndonge kwa kilame uwetata wethe ito imanya masia na kwethe wa yeche ilovia uvadhukanu na miao watanio eyu yenda ngavana wa Masaku wa Vinyandeti avetange weyane Rita Ndonge nundu mayena mwikeyo nake ingi ni mamuwetata wethe ito na mbumba ngano siya Kitai na Kivothia.
Umuthi kwacha kwamba zedi miyo yitunde nikenda tinena na kwisila kuya miyo yitunde ngavana mwene ni wabikia bandu baenda ulwita na ni wadwita nikenda tinena nie nake nikenda te wati te kukwatiania nake tisioke tuketimwe kila mwatu tabia kila watu tabia bayadi na kwatiania chao nenu kila ngwenda kwaze ni kana ithie the investors na be wathia uthi dietwa cartel na ile tima cartel ni chairman na mitoka ile niungamide ya umeni mingi muno na yakwa ni mingi muno byo ona munungi ba kumbea ninye group leader nye ni leader tando nundu ni mutongo na ni asio ile de na wito na nigali ya Masaku ina dina na ngabana ona banini mundu lati na dina na akene waziri lati nengere wa transport nenda ubethu kesi na bandu ba ubethu kesi etina kugonda twetete makatel nendo umwithu ti cartel ile ti manifesta na taiku atekwa na tiku ekwa na dikembo ku ilangu eno murebya notu na ndimwe iloko ndili na itu enda aimana endili na ndumena sindu tia tio na manifestas
na nondo governor ne wa Twitter ye ndina maundu maingi kila ke wona kumutungira mubeya kondo otukwata tuoko na ndiasia itongelelo ndeto sia neno ba tuina thina na governor wito wa Vinyawandeti tuina thina na serikali wa Machakos County tuina thina na waziri wa transport uweta wa Rita wadia nono Rita ethi twate utwithukesia ethi twendeta mamoa ni cartel ono monde kwacha nthini wa media radio station ndasia mamoa ni cartel na ndiwete abana asia mamoa ni registered under the Registrar of Societies kwenana na mea ya Kenya na mungu atia kwa hui vitu yano tukireta kukama no na tuena every right ya kuconduct business hivi tuweka legal business na ndi mutabya mbesa ila transport yebambe no account government itukwa mwai ingene mweze mbesa siana tuweba karibu milioni 15 kila mwai kama ngwatia kila mwai ila mbesa mwana amuzembete ba yetu kaive sia udhuko matuzi itaasi akanzu kila si account ni milioni mbewe 15 kila mwai andozo ni maile topo umwa
Mbunge wa Kibwezi West Mwenge Mutuse Avane ya kudhoa maendeleo meute na ilovia sia NGCDF kuma serikali ni yakati kwikithia kilio mbunge kiu ni cha kwata maendeleo maingi ta icio ila ingi ciaendeiye nesa va Kenya. Wanenwa ivindani ya umia wa mawoni ma enende kilio mbunge ni kiu cha Kibwezi West. Iseso ila yaendea wodini cia Ngumo, Kikumbulu North na Kikumbulu South. Itongo iwe ni mwene kivila wa NGCDF kilio mbunge ni kiu Gabriel Kisilu. Iseso iya akathiwa muno ni enende ma wodi isu maiweta woni wa mutusie kukusia maendeleo manene kuka Kibwezi. Maundu ni meukonia malelu kiu na mwaki wa stima ni kuukilia kilio mbunge kiu kwa vanene.
Umundi tiba muteka public participation ya miradi ya Nyakeli na tumaba twendete Kibwezi Kikumbulu North na Kikumbulu South. Ni asiaba twambia umundi pena project itatu siakili silanga itatu nene worth 30 million na neo ward ila inayofuata dams itatu na kila ward inayofuata dams ile worth around 30 million. Yaja isiokiki then one polling station projects like almost 80% of the polling station ni kwatete project na umundi ila ni siakomana kwambia the other financial year sieka kukusioka na yaseki siokiki kina malelu eli already makera matemetu kisioniki cha area inoya Ngumo na ndia sia pelelu uwe mpodi Mombasa Road already mheshimiwa mpate yembesa na ndribu liba kwela kaunguni ni kwati 5 million na ulawi basi umelawe seneta kangezo kajikumela Kibwezi no kwati aka 10 million. The issue ni this financial year ni si kwa immediately ni kanawe si NND ni mateka kisioni ki tuna soko wa 50 million ulawi uende ama kindu na Kibwezi contractor ni maende kwa survey ya soko wa 100 million.
Na inde mwenda musiaisi wa Mutongo TV ni utongia muvyano ndo wa kwenda ya kwilo ila vilingi wa mauvo kwa oyitu amba kusemba udio mwoni mkuvi.
Mundu losa kuwa yembe timwini mundu wabuyane ona wa munenga yembe yeba manyula nayo uone tabe musina kana itinga yesi lapo usu ni mundu wese nesa kana umanthi ndu ichenga maundu mesi te kweta na nonginya mundu akaliuka na ebinda
kindu taki kenda passion alafu sainge talanta
ni mbunde ya sia mundu na ni mbunde ya siata mostly nyando alangwata amakiuya withia ni so green yani mainoman so ni nende ya from mundu lo tena kosi ingi kana mundu tekitoke thene na mugundi sia kuma mundu na ketha hena wendi
kondo kwekethia ni wakwata cha kuitweta obamwe na kuiba maelo kila twaile kumanya ni kana vaiwia utewa kwiyonea ethiwani wetae vaita ikia vitivyo maunduni maku
wanu ambio tumangomboka hebe kwata
yuyu twebuti bonenge nonie uyosu inyako ndete na gono uya moseo kwanenda kikomba kainga uomboka kuma spinach
ilobi
maluga la matemange ngobo ngasue yana amobe ya by that time toba onengolo
ala matemange nimeba
tumeta katakata
fluency kana eka komwene kila kenda akeke for example nyina pushiwe nano kweka procurement lakini baadaye nesio end kwida ni baba
na ndukiatikile kutulwa ngoni ando niwe wisi wala umete na kula wendete wea komana nake Steven Mwema kilunguni cha wea ne wea kila wakana kwambia saa 12 na dakika 40 va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba
kindu mundu usiawa nacho
kinengo nonga iwa nengie but nesio manakana ni nacho ni primary school
naki anana kindu kikapika bandu kethe kindu kikivithika ve kindu kithia wanthini wa mundu na kikamumio twiini akatanga aso nginya nthi ciantha
talent ya kunyiva
utonga kwikia talent kusu ni umanuke ukamshughulikia
kinengo cha mundu nicho kiseo baseme kalile yake
mundu ndela naye kama maendeleo kwikala maisha makwa ni sawa
kumanya kinengo cha kunikusio nundu waki mianesa kisao kumia kindu
nye ni namba kende ni enda bandu lakini namba kenda ngimeze mubila kunzi ngale kwithia na umezio no naje nundu ndinegwa gikozini tikambelwa ba ukamubira
kama na nafasali shabeki wa mbua kila wakatano kuambia saile na nusu sia weyo ndio kwetie kilungu cha inengo na mikanile niva Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Maisha ni matonya kuvyuvia indi wi mundu wina akili nonginya withe wisi kwamba masinga
ini sio thambia mumba ngathambia ona ikoni ngathambia ona wenda ciana ithambie no nitwe muthambia ona nguku ona ng'ombe ona masithia kila kindu chonde ona kuo wende no thambia
vai kindu kithonokete kutata na windi wa kwiyailia maishani
kama kasilia kamwe usoni gwa mwambio la museo nutomeona tabateke esilia lile mwaleane maokama katika masilia 10
maunduni maku onthe ikithia nusongete nambe nundu vamwe vatua wane via
tausi wana hithi bandu batekindwe mama uswera pesa bajewina kapointi dikana nake kamundie kaela no kamundie kale kombina muduma
saingi mundu novita cia matambia maishani na aivaluka indi kusindwa kwa uwo ni kuendeya kwikala vala wavalukila ni kuyati kithethesyo kimuka na vayutuku utachesa
utivyotimbo kowe ninyone nikomie kowe asimakwa nevyuma vyava ake mama iwowitwa akanite
kase tumwisinesa ni musoli na ni kamundu kamitulyo na kwichocha kase avikie vauata twiyawa mbuinzau ya yeneke kase niwonekie avilania mbya na vavindwa tutambanie na kase itambia kwetambia kila wachumwa kwambeya saili na nusu siawiyo va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Kavindani kaka Christmas ikwatie zuku yako kwa dhoa kuichana yulu dhoa dikode ya zuku satellite kwa silingi ngiliomwi maana kenda miongo kenda na kenda na full kit ya zuku kwa silingi ngilile maana thandatu miongo kenda na kenda kwa ula ukudhoa zuku evinda yambe tukunenga zuku premium free na wikwata signal kila vandu Kenya yonde tuina packages mbuthu kwa muvuko waku wina silingi maana miongo kenda kenda wikwatia zuku smart kwa ulawe na silingi maana thandatu wikwatia zuku smart plus ulawe na ngili umwi yana yemwi na miongo itano wikwata Asian channels na ulawe na ngili umwi maana 5 miongo ina na kenda wikwata zuku premium Ione sports, documentaries, Swahili drama, series na ione ya series kwa wingi. Ndukulu tuina Mutongo TV channel miongo 3 na Weru TV channel miongo 3 tutembelee kwa dila ulawiva kuvinaku. Wetu kwate kwisila simu noti ili noti 5 ili noti ili 5 kada kwa website www.zuku.co.ke only on Zuku.
Ni kalivo nende na kumanyithe na ende tuisonga na mbeni kana mauvisa mavolisi na DCI Mutito wa Ndei kauntini ya Makueni ni maende kusia iloli yemwe ila ikwisililwa kwithwa ikwiye kemiko nthuku muthemba wa ethanol ila ningune mungu va Kenya kwena volisi iloli ye na kwite moyo okuma Mombasa kuthi lovi Mobisa ma DCI maikwatiwa kwetia mwanya wa kuvingwa moyo u muvea wa KRA government chemistry na angemekite kambi valave moyo u kuthiana wa vingwa. President William Ruto ni waweta kanami ya ikoneti ya unyanya wa Kenya na antisianza foreign policy. No kunekelwa na kwekidwa kanani enda niitie na mwaluku alamedhe itevo ndeonde. Aineni ya kikalone cha kunena nisemea Ruto ni waweta kanave na vata yeki wa mwaluku ni kanayi edhewa itonya kwa ili ya utandithia na usesei. Ni kanakukusi atandithia kumandi sianza.
Or is it like some people have said? And the two and sought to capture the interactions between, for example, the esteemed members of the cabinets of the Republic.
We want to be able to domesticate foreign policy. In the middle of this year, when the young men and women of Kenya were raising some concerns, they kept on asking this question: why does the president travel? Not looking at the end result, but why does he travel? It even migrated from why to the mode of travel. And in the process, critical aspects of what emerges out of proper engagement at the highest level was being lost in that conversation.
This foreign policy is about the sustainability of our country in the decades and centuries to come. What is that will make Kenya survive in this very complex, competitive, and insecure world? Many decades when this generation might not be here, many centuries, obviously, when all of us will not be here.
Has driven intensive integration and interdependence, blurring the line between domestic and foreign policy. This makes it imperative to redefine and reestablish a distinct, comprehensive foreign policy framework. And this is the exercise this ministry is engaged in. The new foreign policy document outlines clear objectives, identifies emerging trends, and proposes effective responses to global dynamics. It incorporates mechanisms for implementation, monitoring, and evaluation, ensuring that our diplomatic sector serves as a catalyst for Kenya's prosperity. Notably, it highlights opportunities in emerging fields, such as the digital diplomacy and climate diplomacy. As you all know, we progressively have raised Kenya's diplomatic profile. It is the reason why, for the first time in Nairobi, we held the first ever African Climate Summit in Nairobi. And I did it specifically because Nairobi is the environmental capital of the world, and we must lead.
Omunde we muthenya wa kutania ciana nthi yonthe muka wa President William Ruto ulani Rachel Ruto ni watambuka skuluni wa musingi wa Kaptembo ula wi kauntini ya Nakuru kutania muthenya u. Rachel ni waweta serikali ni niende ya kutethecia ciana kukwata leu maskuluni. Aiweta kana no tethecia ciana milioni ile kati wa milioni 1.5 ile itatonya kukwata leu cie skulu.
This World Children's Day under the theme, Listen to the Future. This reminds us that our voices of children are the foundation of a brighter tomorrow. Here in Nakuru County, over 500,000 children dream of a future where their voices matter and their ideas are heard. Yet many still face barriers such as lack of accessibility to quality education, a challenge that affects 50% of children globally.
And today is the World Children's Day, and therefore we are hosted by our children. We are hosted by the future. As teachers, we are happy to be here because we are co-creators of our children. As parents, we are here today because we also co-create our children, and we are collaborators of making sure that the future is safe. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that as Ministry of Education, we are fully dedicated to make sure that that future is safe in our children.
During the International Women's Day celebrations in March this year, our President asked me to champion the voice of children in the nation. This is a call we have embraced and laid out in 3 broad areas: child provision, child participation, and child protection. We are starting with child provision by supporting the ongoing school feeding program in the country. We are championing the sustainability component of school feeding through school-based food production programs that target learning institutions, like you can see in the branded items that we have today: Feed One, End Hunger. We are inspired by Mother Teresa's words, and I quote, "If you cannot feed 100 people, feed just one." Kenya aims to attain the universal school feeding target of 10 million meals daily by 2030. Currently, we are feeding 2.5 million children daily. I have a brand ambition to support 2 million children out of the gap of 7.5 million children who are yet to enjoy a school meal daily. In collaboration with the relevant state departments and partners, we are embarking on the following initiatives. First, we are establishing school kitchen gardens in all public schools to grow short-term nutritional crops like vegetables and herbs. I want to urge the county governments and elected leaders present to join us in this program and allocate a budget that will support school feeding programs in our schools. I specifically urge our legislatures to consider providing sufficient funds towards the budget of the Ministry of Education for school feeding to ensure that we support our government efforts to close the gap of 7.5 million children in the next 6 years.
Happy birthday, First Lady. Happy birthday to you.
Silikale nene umia milioni ya na yemwesi ya kutoa isi ya campaign Kenya yonde kukitana na kau wake mevai. Unuke na President William Ruto ulawa weta campaign hii ni ukwato koko ni silikale wala wakulia Kenya onde makwate mba uwalanyo uku sila kumbala sieko ithi kusome dhiwa vamwana kuleana nasio. Uneni uwa Ruto yuka kavindani katu elekele vinda ya metanyai 13 ila ithi ya waya kumanyithia enende kukitana na kau wake mevai.
Just a preamble that Wezesha Mama Inua Jamii.
It is a stark reminder that we must act swiftly and decisively to protect the lives and the dignity of every woman and girl in Kenya. We know that every 4 out of 5 women killed is out of intimate partner violence, which means that our women are being killed in places they consider safe. I send my condolences and those of these leaders standing here with me to those who are in pain today because of these tragic events. Social media has become a dangerous avenue for exploitation, and I urge our young people to treat strangers on these platforms with utmost caution. Through the Women's Rights Advisor, we are launching a Safe Homes, Safe Space campaign during the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence that is going to start on the 25th of November. Our communities need education on the signs and causes of abuse and the resources available to victims. 10 days of activism against gender-based violence. The women leaders standing here have agreed to embark on a nationwide awareness campaign to confront this vice head-on. This campaign will have the full support of my administration, and we are committing Kenya shillings 100 million for the Safe Home, Safe Spaces campaign and for the next 16 days of activism. And these women leaders will lead the way in making sure that our girls, our women, are made aware of the dangers they face, especially when they engage with strangers, when they engage with people in social media, in strange places, with strangers. It endangers their lives and it weakens their ability to be able to extricate themselves.
Na indi mundo musiaisi wa Mutongo TV ni utongea muvyano ndo wakwilo ila uvilingwa mavona kwete mavoni na kesha rondinda na kwanita wa Faith Ndenya tuidhia na inge mwendoni wa saa 3:30 tukwete uvilingi mbeange.